Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by picking the only practical route for Apple TV, a network-level VPN. Sign in to ExpressVPN and confirm your router can run third-party firmware or the app. Once done, decide whether you will flash the router, use a pre-configured router image, or share a VPN connection from a Mac or Windows PC. Make sure you have admin access and the router's firmware backed up, because you will make DNS and routing changes next, and those require precise credentials and steps. Now you execute the core configuration. If you flash or install ExpressVPN on the router, upload the correct profile, choose a server location, and enable kill switch or DNS leak protection. If you use a Mac or PC, connect ExpressVPN, enable internet sharing or create a secure hotspot, and route traffic through the VPN interface. Once done, set Apple TV to that wireless network or plug it into the router's LAN. Make sure the Apple TV obtains the correct DNS and test streaming. Finish by verifying the VPN is actually protecting your Apple TV. Launch a geo-restricted app or a device IP check. Confirm the location matches your chosen ExpressVPN server. If video buffers or apps fail, reboot router, host computer, and Apple TV, then recheck DNS and routing. If problems persist, switch to a different VPN server, reapply the router profile, or reset your internet sharing settings. This one fix resolves most issues. Finally, keep firmware.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.